trial ends this week without the prosecution resting its case.
Prosecution had been expected to call its last witness today. However, late word is that may now happen on Monday. It is still unclear whether prosecutors will call any witnesses when court resumes next week.
ABC 7's Diane Matthews live at the Will County Courthouse in Joliet with the latest.
And good afternoon. The state says they will be ready to close their case on Monday. Today, they tried to admit into evidence what they hoped would convince the jury that Drew Peterson killed Kathleen Savio. A disappointment to the state, the jurors were not allowed to hear from Cassandra Kales. Kales is Drew Peterson's missing fourth wife Stacy's sister. She was to take the stand to verify previous phone record testimony, but instead defense attorneys agreed to a written stipulation that would confirm the information, a loss for the state and Kales, who would have come face to face with the man she thinks killed her sister.
It's pretty stressful. It's like an emotional roller coaster, and I've been living it for the past 5 years.
The prosecution was also hoping to call Harry Smith to the stand. Smith was Kathleen Savio's divorce attorney. He planned to tell the court about a letter Savio wrote about her fears that Drew Peterson would kill her. Attorneys on both sides couldn't agree on relevance, so Smith was dismissed for the day. The state plans to rest their case on Monday.
It's good to come to the end of our case, and we look forward to proceeding next week.
The defense is ready with their own experts and plan to counter the state's theory so far on what happened the day Savio was found dead.
We want to get this case to the jury. We've been delayed and delayed and delayed. I think when you see our case go in, it's not going to be anything like the state's case. It'll go in smooth, it'll go in quick, and we'll get to closing arguments.
As you mentioned, the court is adjourned for the day. Will resume on Monday, which is different from this normal schedule of this trial. It normally runs Tuesday through Friday, but the judge says he wants to move this case along a lot quicker, so court is back in session Monday morning. Reporting live in Joliet outside the courthouse, Diane Matthews, ABC 7 News. Back to you in the studio.
Diane, thanks very much.